Okay, last time we created administrators, payroll administrator, and personal admin, time admin, and payroll admin. Okay, now ours was HPA, HTA, HPY, HPA, HPY. Okay, and let's go to the next step, that is default administrator groups, pinch administrator groups, TCLAS. Okay. Otherwise, pers G employee group. Okay. And employee group, we have employee group. Select employee groups. Create nodes. And our employee group was, we have to find that again. Employee group, employee group. Employee subgroup, employee group, HS, HH. Employee pay group, just a second. Okay, it's M. Huawei employee group. Create. Field for decision operation. Okay, employee first case subgroup. Subgroup. Okay. Create nodes. HH. And HS, which is hourly and salary for employee group, which is active for Huawei. Okay. Okay, subgroup. HS. HH. Create. And it will be return value, continue, APPL, we actually created in the last step. Return value, continue, APPL. I hope. Okay, otherwise we'll have to be delete it. Uh, okay, deleted. Save. HCM, where is it? Huawei. Okay, more, activate. Define administrator groups, and now we will have pinch. Otherwise, employee group Huawei M active. It is now activated. Okay. Persky employee group HHAS. Now your payroll admin, time admin, personal admin will be driven by this one. Okay. Now let's move to personal data. Okay. Personal data. Organizational assignment, create control record. Organization assignment, organization data, organization assignment, personal control record, administrator, industry codes, additional details for personal areas. Very strange. Personal data. Moving on its own. So we have to bear with it. Personal data, this is falling under personal administration. Okay. Personal administration and personal data, and new forms of address, create forms of address. Mr. and Mrs., Miss, okay, gender. So we can add our legends over here. Okay, male, female. We have two options over here. Okay. And some labels, of course, will be gender universal. Okay. Okay. New forms of address. We've already seen this. Create marital status. Marital status will be married, divorced, widowed, and of course, you can add others as well. Okay. Okay. Address type, address address type. Create forms of address and address type. Can't find address types. So we'll move on. We'll move on. Let's not keep waiting. All data. And next is address information. Address information, address information. But before that, let me just venture into PA30. Come on. Personal data, personal number, change. So what we have here is personal data, titles, name, prefix. These are the fields, and we can maintain this info type. Okay. And other that I want to show is addresses, is the physical address. Okay. Address is residential or office or commercial or mailing addresses. Okay. These are the fields that we can maintain in addresses. So number of fields that we have in addresses are many, numerous. Oh, disconnected. Disconnect. Let me